What's going on, everybody? This is going to be a little video about how to change a valve stem on an older tub like this. It's kind of a clawfoot tub, but it's not. It's an older tub, but it has this little tiny valve in it. So this is if your valve is leaking or if you can't turn it off. This was the valve I needed. Found it at Home Depot for about $16. It comes with the seat and a little washer thingy thing. I already did the hot one, so I'm going to be doing the cold today. So what you want to do is turn the water off outside so that you can turn this valve all the way on so you can access the valve. I couldn't get a wrench on it because it was too small. So I got a pair of vice grips and went ahead, grabbed that, turned it to the left, lefty loosey, righty tighty. So the whole piece came out because I could not remove the handle off of there because that's how old it is. So here's the old one. Now that the valve is off, you have to remove the valve seat, the old one. You're going to need a tool, which is called a valve seat wrench. It's a 90-degree angle tool. One side is square, the other side is like a diamond shape, I would say. You just push it in there and turn it to the left, and it loosens that up. But you want to use two hands, of course. And then you get the new one, put some thread tape on there if you want. If not, I don't know. But yeah, you put it back in, turn it to the right, tighten it up, make sure it's in there tight, and boom, your new valve seat is in. Now you can get your new valve stem. Go ahead, put that in and wrench it in. I did not put thread tape on there because I ran out. So I don't know if you guys want to put it on there. Go ahead, put it on there. If not, don't. Go ahead and tighten up the new valve stem. Make sure it's seated on there all the way. Get your new handle. If you can't reuse your old handle, of course, and put it on. Make sure you don't drop the screw down the drain. It's going to be hard to get out if you can get it out. Then go ahead and turn your water back on and check your workout. Make sure everything is working. Thank you guys for watching. If you like the video, like it, leave a comment, subscribe. Thank you guys for watching.